My name is Bruno, it's Bazelato. I come from Brazil, and I came here firstly to improve English and also to have another experience in my area. I had to do this 12 weeks course, and then we had to practice like writing skills, speaking skills, reading skills, and then I could compare my English before the English course and after. Then I could see that my writing skill improved a lot, and then also my speaking skill. I can really like it. When I talk, it's more natural, it's more like I have more confidence, and then I don't have anymore to think in my own language, to speak in English. The words in English just come like if I were speaking in Portuguese. Yes, like not just because of the skills, but just the environment, the staff. All the teachers were very careful about us, and all the time that we need help, they were there to help us. And all the questions, everything that we had to ask, and all the help that we had to ask for, we were attended as fast as they could. I could really know the UK, like the place around Aberystwyth, of course. We could go like since from Manchester to Cardiff, so it's a very they are distant places, but at the same time we could go there in a long journey, but enjoying the way with friends, and then knowing the place, like all the place that she told us, this place is good to know, that place is very nice, so we could go there, and we really could enjoy the socials. Yes, it's a very quiet place, and as I'm not like the person who goes out all the time, and it's a very good place. Because of this, I have what I need to live and stuff. I'd say first the security. It's a very secure place, and another point, even it's a small town, you have everything that you need. Also, everything's very close. You can go walking to all those places, you can return walking. Of course you can take a taxi, and it's just £1. When you study English in a country that speaks Portuguese, you don't learn English as you should. I can say because I've studied English for 3 years before coming to the UK, and when I arrived here, so I don't know how to speak English actually. I have to learn again. And then I could properly learn it, and then I think the same money that you could spend paying for your child to study English, you can pay to him to come to the UK or to come to Aberystwyth University, and then study the English here and improve their skills here. It might be better, of course.